Tundra sees a few cosmetic and package updates for 2024. The TRD off-road package is now available on the Platinum grade and includes a black grille with color-keyed surround, black mirror caps, window surrounds, over fenders and badging, and body color and black door handles. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like the video. The Nightshade package is now available on the limited grade, and the full-size 12.3-inch digital instrument panel is now standard on limited. The head-up display, formerly only available bundled with the load-leveling air suspension on Platinum and 1794 grades, is now a freestanding option. A factory 3-inch lift kit is now available on all models except the TRD Pro, which comes with its own suspension setup. The price of the 2024 Toyota Tundra starts at $41,815 and goes up to $64,310 depending on the trim and options. In standard non-hybrid form, the two-wheel drive 2024 Tundra is EPA rated for up to 20 mpg city and 24 mpg highway. Four-wheel drive reduces those figures by 1 mpg each. However, the Tundra delivered only 19 mpg in our 75 mph highway route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen. Furthermore, that same truck averaged just 14 mm overall while in our hands. Though the current Tundra is much better in terms of material quality and design than the previous generation, it fails to bring anything new or revolutionary to the truck segment. There's a thick-set dashboard dotted with prominent air vents and a thick, smooth center section that connects the door panels. Moving up the trim hierarchy brings the usual material and feature upgrades, culminating with the top-of-the-line capstone semi-aniline leather upholstery, American walnut interior trim, acoustically laminated side windows, and heads-up display. Analog gauges and a small driver information display are standard, but the top trim levels have a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel gauge cluster. The center console is voluminous, and there are plenty of cubbies to collect the detritus of modern life. The extended cab is available with either a 6.5 or 8.1-foot bed, while the crew cab is offered with either a 5.5 or 6.5